Hey guys, today is the last giveaway in my week of giveaways. I apologize for the confusion yesterday. I did post a community post here on YouTube saying that the giveaway yesterday was exclusively on Instagram, but I know not everyone sees those community posts, so some people were confused, but it was an Instagram exclusive giveaway. But today is the biggest giveaway yet. I am giving away an Instant Pot Mini along with, of course, a copy of my Instant Pot Mini Cookbook. So definitely get your entries in for this one. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel first of all, then like this video, and also leave a comment down below letting me know what you would make first in your Instant Pot Mini if you were to win. And then when you are finished here on YouTube, head over to my Instagram. Make sure you're following me there on Instagram at Indigo Nili, and then find my Instant Pot Mini giveaway post and go ahead and like that post and leave a comment down below, and again tag a friend, tag 2 or 3 friends who might be interested in winning, and then you will get a second entry into the giveaway. Since this giveaway is such a big one, I'm going to leave it open for 48 hours this time. I will notify the winner either as a reply to your comment here on YouTube if the winning comment is here on YouTube, or as a direct message on Instagram if the winning comment is on Instagram. So go ahead, comment away, and good luck.